Okay, so this is just a little video because someone asked and I kind of forgot how to do it, but I think what he meant is to take the battery out, which you can either turn it, but as you see it is hard. I find using one of these screwdrivers and doing that. And in case you want to know what battery to get, I think that's what he asked. If it's not, I'm sorry if I misunderstood your question. Just one of those. I think it's an hexagonal screw. And that's it. And this is just a quick way how to put it back in.